All right, we're staying in the valley. Got a nice little boutique shop called Studio 23. Entire wallpaper, Kobe and Jordan. That is dope. That's dope. The left side right here is all Jordan. And then the two of them playing together on the right. That's fire. Holy cow. And of course, they have a really, really good selection. They got all kinds of Air Forces. I'm a huge fan of that one. But look at this. I've never seen this one. Black with all kinds of perforations on it. I don't think I've ever seen this one. Is this a... What is that one? It's 150, so it is a special one. Someone's gonna hate on me in the comments. You don't know that one. My bad, I don't know it, dude. My bad. But yeah, 150. Okay, something different. Then they got plenty of Jordans. These are the Jordan 1s right here. 135 for the SEs. So usually I've seen way more stuff here. But yeah, I think this is the women's, or is this grade school? I think that's the women's. And then they still have the grade school of these right here. Still got the grade schools. That's cool. That's cool. Is these, most places sold out of the grade school? I don't know. But yeah, they do got the White Lightning 4s. Or White Thunders, my bad. White Thunders. Apparently I'm just making up colorways. Got some Air Max 1s right here that I've never seen. This one really pops. Holy cow. Holy cow. 160 for these. Got some Japanese in the bottom. Collab with somebody. I don't know. These are dope. Got an LA Air Force right here. $100. This is a canvas upper. I don't think I've seen this one anywhere. As well as these. Dang, they got a few things I haven't seen in. 135 for these. Denim Air Max 1s right here. These are pretty dope. The fact that it's not just denim and has other stuff on it. 160 for those bad boys right there. Then got 2s. $150 for the 2s right here. So you got the slip-ons, 110 for those. They got these. I haven't seen these in a while. I saw these at the outlets a lot. 110 for those. And then they got all kinds of other Air Max 90s right here. Holy cow. They got quite a few. All the dunks for the men right here. 125 for those. And then they got, this one right here. I don't think I've seen this one. 130 for those bad boys right there. They got some Sauconys. Are these the Shadow 6000s? These are going for $84. I don't really know much about Saucony, to be really honest. Yeah, these are going for $84. Definitely interesting looking. The Air Max 1s, I think these are women's. So that one's bright as hell, god dang, dude. But yeah, they got quite a few Air Max 1s. They still got these left over right here. 55 for the Hydro 4s. These are the, is this a smaller one? Is this a grade school? Did they? Oh, they did make these in grade school now that I think about it. Yeah, that's a 4Y. They got the Virgil Ablohs right there. They got the books. If y'all need these books. I think I do have one at home. I grabbed one at Ross for like $20 or something. But I think these are $100, something like that. Mine doesn't have the plastic around it. Man, what's this? I think my kiddo would like this one. Holy cow. Let me look through it. They do have one of the most epic displays right there. They can make a clock out of that. They got one all the way through 12. So yeah, they could totally make a clock. And they do have an apparel section right here. Got plenty of Nikes, plenty of Jordans. To be honest, stuff that we haven't seen in a lot of spots. But yeah, they have some designer stuff here as well. Got some, what is this, Mitchell & S jacket. A Wheaties jacket I've never seen before. Jordan Wheaties jacket. 120 for those. Got ACGs and stuff like that. Okay. Got some skate decks right there, but pretty dope boutique shop in the valley if y'all stay in the valley. Definitely check out Studio 23. They have one location here. They have one out in, I think, Minnesota. That's where they originally started. Same name. So interesting that they built one here in LA, Studio City part of LA. They are a tier 0 shop, so they get pretty much every release. Check them out on Instagram. They show exactly how they do the releases and stuff. Pretty dope shop, definitely worth stopping by. Then going back to my car, playing Frogger on Ventura Boulevard. I think I made it. 75 cents got me 30 minutes. F you downtown LA, F you. That's what's up, let's go. And we got parking enforcement right here. That's why I'm always paranoid. Few blocks away, Westfield. What the hell is it called? Westfield. I don't know what the hell it's called. Westfield Fashion Square, I think that's the technical name, or the correct name. I would just call it Westfield Sherman Oaks. They do got a couple of Yeezys. Yeezy 350 V2s right here. These are going for $230, the MSRP. I don't know the colorways of these, but both of them pretty decent, man. Yeezy's comfortable as hell, right? Got some regular forms. I swear the regular forms, the material's just getting better. Like they're using Form 84 leather on it or something. I like this one because it doesn't have that sail midsole. But yeah, not bad, not bad. 100 bucks for these. I got this brown one right here. I've been meaning to get this Shoe Palace one right here. I just like it because the material is just so freaking nice. Better than the forms that I just showed you. These are down to 60 freaking dollars. This is a Shoe Palace exclusive as well. Shows when Shoe Palace was first established. Man, I'm not a huge fan of the sail midsole, but I really like the material and the fact that most of the upper, or all of the upper, is white. Haven't gotten around to getting it quite yet. They got this one on sale right here with the cracked leather. I'm so tired of that. Gazelles, I don't think I've seen this color on sale. This is a dope color. Clean color, you can wear this with almost anything, 70 freaking dollars. Wait, did I just not notice? They got two different Yeezy slides. Two separate Yeezy slides right here. Holy cow. And they got the fake Yeezy slides right here. I don't think they look anything alike, Kanye. I don't know what he's talking about. Just because they use the foam, is that what he's pissed off about? We got $30 for that. This place got so many Jordans. Look, there's no room in between the Jordans. That's kind of crazy. And I did show you guys just recently that these went on sale at Shoe Palace. Freaking $90 for those. That is such a steal. I might have to grab these eventually because yeah, I got the Japan 1 highs and they look almost exactly the same, so I kind of do want them now, especially at $90. Look at their Jordan selection. They got the green beans. They still got these ones, size 12. Yeah, size 12. They got all kinds of mids and highs. Go for retail though. 6s right here. Got those Jordan 1 low OGs right there. These are gonna go on sale eventually too, right? Maybe the smaller size are gone, so maybe not. We got some 12s, Shadow OG lows right there. Then all kinds of lows and mids on sale, 90 for those right there. Flights right here going for $80. What are these? The True Flights right here, they're down to 100. They still got a wheat. And then this one, what the hell is this one doing here? What the hell? Okay, $2 for those. I thought those would be on sale. This location still has this colorway right here. I have these at home though, so I don't really need these to go on sale, but hey man, the more the merrier. I am such a fan of these. Man, colors on this one really sticks out. I can wear this with my 90 gear, just like those right there. Man, 85 just too steep for slide. Damn, I thought those were Air Force Ones. I was like, what? No, those are the Court Nothings, whatever. Did make a little pit stop. Did grab some Gap tank tops. Man, I remember when these were $5-6 a piece, man. Now they're up to 10. That's because they're on sale today. God dang it. Damn, dude. Do got a little finish line right here. One of the few finish lines in LA. Here they do got some Vomeros right here, Vomero 5s. Got some 550s right here. Olympic 6s, as well as the black Oreos. Just like the last JD that we went to, got a couple of those on sale. Air Max 1s. Been seeing these on sale pretty much everywhere. Just too many colorways maybe. And literally every one of them on sale. Holy cow. JD exclusive colorway? Is this a JD exclusive? I don't know. But these cool gray ones, they look pretty nice. Black with University Blue, pretty dope too. $130 for those. This Foot Locker stop might have to be quick, man. Dang it. Oh, they changed it to the new format. Okay. Jordan brand got its own section. Basketball sneaker section right here across all brands. New Balance Hoka On got their own sections right there. Nike has its own section. There's a running section right there. And Adidas and Puma got their own sections. Okay. They got their little central section right here with all the black and whites. As well as on this side. Okay, they're trying to make it easier for the consumers. Okay. But definitely don't see any 70% off racks or anything like that. Dang it. All right, I'm gonna stop by some other spot. I need to go pick up my kiddo from school. Dang it. Been seeing some of you guys find heat at some Ross. Been seeing it on social media. Let's see what I can find. Some little Puma jersey right here. I don't know. Is this the Egyptian national team? $90 down to $30. That is a size medium. Bears t-shirt right here. This is Team Apparel, so pretty budgety stuff. But yeah, $40 down to $7. Bama Nike shirt going for $13. Nike hoodie right here, $70 down to $27. Medium, got one in large as well. Fanatics, is this a Brady one? Yeah, Brady shirt right here going for $6. That is a large. And of course, plenty of Chargers Nike tees going for $13. See some of you guys finding some dope jackets and stuff. No luck here, just this New Balance jacket. Nice little windbreaker, $30. Checking out the sneakers, got Project Rock right here, going for $50. That is a size 9. Got some Timberlands right here, going for $90. Got some Under Armours right here, down to $35. Don't know what they are. Got some budget Stephs right here. The Splash Bros or something going for $50. Got some All Pro Puma basketball sneakers going for $40 right here. Okay. Interesting gloves right here. Some Therma Fleece gloves right here. Tech Fleece, I mean, my bad. Thermafit Tech Fleece. Normally $40 down to $25. So this matches with your Tech Fleece. That's pretty dope. I am looking for some workout gloves. Not really seeing what I need. You got lacrosse. I've never seen lacrosse equipment here. And I got some of these in the bigger sizes, size 12. That's about it, dude. That's about it. Price on these still going for $50. All right, let's do one more late night trip. In this location, dude, got Nike Dodger shirts for $13. Ah, man, this is full again. Dang it. We seen those way cheaper. Oh, there's a Kershaw one. Kershaw one's not bad. This one ain't bad. For $13, these are mediums. Yeah, that's not bad at all. Adidas football jersey right here. Ooh, whoa, this is really thick. Really thick, nice material. $6, but how many people need football jerseys, all right? And then who is this? Who is this? I got a Wilson jersey. He's not there anymore. Got more Zach Wilson jerseys going for $30. Another one right here. XL. You got Justin Fields jersey. Caleb Williams taking over the helm there, right? Caleb Williams, is he going to be the answer? Look at this. Tropic Flints. That's kind of dope. $15. Oh, that is a Fila. And if you're a big fan of the movie Semi-Pro, that's what's up. This is kind of big though. It's like an XL or double XL or something. Yeah, it's in like the quadruple XL section. It's huge. What's this? Got a GTR right there. This is pretty dope. R35 Tokyo, Japan hoodie. $13. Maybe for my kiddo. Alright, I have to use Google Translate. Apparently it says Tokyo. I don't want to say anything really weird if I'm getting it for my kid. I'm thinking about it. He does like this type of stuff. That's dope, but it's mostly polyester, so I'm trying to stay away from polyester right now. Got a Columbia jacket right here. Going for $40. Normally $160. Normally $160. That's not too bad. New Balance jacket right here. Going for $40. I don't understand this because it's a car thing. It says Route 66, which is an American thing. Then it says Tokyo on the back. I don't really understand that. Do have a Jordan backpack in the backpack section. Still going for $40 though. Kind of pricey for what it is. Got some older Currys right here. Look like it's for kids. $30. Not bad for some older Currys. I don't know, the Curry Sevens. Which ones are these? This before the flow midsoles. I don't know what Curry this is, but yeah, it's here. It's here, it's not bad. Got the Snoop Dogs right here, going for $30. Got multiples of these. And of course, these bad boys right here, still going for $50. Bunch of Currys. Damn, that's it. I was hoping to find something for y'all. Damn. Saturday night with the kiddos. Grab these fools. Doing some, what is this? The trailer races? Trailer races at Irwindale. Is he going for it? Is he going for it? Not yet, right? Not yet, right? No, not yet. No.
I think he's trying to line that thing up to go through the trailer. This is artistic. This is like artistic trailer. Hurry up that boat.
Does he got it? Does he got it? Does he got it? Oh, no, no, no.
Everyone wants that boat. Watch out!
Oh, he's putting it in front for the ninth lap, Evan. Oh, no, he's trying to take around the whole thing. Oh, he missed it. Oh, no, he missed it. Oh, he went for it. He went for it.
All right. I think the fuse has just been lit. That's my prediction. That trailer's taking some damage. Yeah, here we go.
You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. I think got it. Oh! Oh, I missed it. Dang it, I missed it. I'm so mad. I didn't see it was lap 6 already. God dang it. Holy crap, oh, man, I missed it. I'm so mad. Oh, no. Oh, no. Those are going crazy. Evan, look at that one. Look at that one. That fool can't even see. Oh, yeah, buddy. Yeah. Woo! That fool can't even see, dude. There's no way you can even see, doggy. That's hilarious. Look at the track. Oh my goodness. Then they do have fireworks at the end of the night. Oh no. Is that car on fire? Oh, there was a little fire. Alright, we're out. See y'all.